Today's video is lines and transversals. So the first thing that we need to talk about is what a transversal is. A transversal is a line or a segment that intersects two or more lines or segments. So if you look at this drawing, you can see the transversal is the one that's sort of slanty. The next thing, lines don't have to just be lines and transversals. Sometimes it can be both. So in this picture, L, M, and N all intersect two or more lines, so they are all transversals. So transversals can intersect each other too. Alternate means that we've got two angles that are on different sides of the transversal. So if you look at the blue line, that's our transversal. We have one side on the right and the other side on the left. We also have interior and exterior. This doesn't have anything to do with the transversal. We're just looking at the two lines. If we look at our two black lines, the interior is between those lines and the exterior is outside of those two lines. Now, this is the important part. We've got pairs of angles and different pairs have different names. The first kind that we're going to talk about is corresponding angles, which means that they're in the same relative spot. So if you look at these two, they're both in the top left corner. If you see that as two pairs of vertical angles, so they are corresponding angles. Another kind are consecutive angles. Consecutive are on the same side of the transversal and they are on the interior of the lines. So they're right next to each other, they're consecutive. Alternate exterior angles are on opposite sides of the transversal, that's why they're called alternate, and they are exterior, so they're outside of the other lines. And alternate interior angles, alternate, so they're opposite sides of the transversal, interior, so they're in between the two black lines. Those are our four pairs of angles that we're going to be talking about. The end.
He's okay. My finger's okay too.